Hi, this is Stella. Welcome to my channel. This is my very first video on YouTube. So I'm so excited to open channel for myself. So as you can tell from the title of the video, I'm going to do a record of my medical treatments fighting against cancer. So a very quick, very brief introduction of me and my medical history. I am 19 years old. To cancer, I was very young. I am very young. So the rare case happened to me. I did my very first surgery when I was 15 years old, and I was not been told that it is cancer. They just said it's a tumor, but as long as we kind of removed it by an operation, that's fine, until I was 17 years old. So 2 years later, it just kind of spreading to my neck. So I did surgeries. I did 2 surgeries to kind of remove the cancer cells, and then I did radiotherapy and chemotherapy at the same time after the surgeries to kind of protect that nothing is going to come back. But here I am again 2 years later. I just have some 2-year spell or something like that. So after 2 years, now I'm here, 19 years old. I've got a kind of sarcoma. It's also around here. Actually, when I'm doing this, it looks normal. It looks great to me. But yes, when I do that, you can see there is a swelling here. So and this part, they said, is the area of the sarcoma. So after the ultrasound, CT scan, MRI and biopsy, it is kind of acknowledged that it is a sarcoma. It is. So I need a rather long-term treatment to kind of try to, cure it. And the doctor said that I'm going to have chemotherapy again, and for rather long term to kind of minimize the size of that, because you can tell that it's actually obvious, it's big, and it's a facial area, so they need to be very careful. So after the first stage of chemotherapy, I'm going to have a surgery, and then I will have chemotherapies after the surgery to kind of again making sure it's never coming back. So I'm not lucky because they said sarcoma, especially this area, they said it was kind of the very lowest possibility in cancer that happened to human beings. It's saying it's lower than 100%. And considering my age and also my medical history, it's just with a very low percentage. But percentage is for the whole population. When it comes to you, it's either 100% or 0. Well, I'm that 100% girl, and so I would like to open a channel. This is what I'm doing now, to kind of do a record of my treatments, because I just feel like, I am an interesting person, but my body seems to be very funny. It's just something bad just keep coming back to me. And so I just want to do a record here. So I'm very glad if you come to see me record for myself. I'm gonna be very grateful if you find my video interesting. And also this record, I think it's going to help me when the treatment starts, when I am not as positive as I am now. Then I might need this kind of record to, keep me motivated to whatever life is, whatever life looks like. So in the following series of videos, I guess I will do some kind of story and experience sharing to this channel, and a kind of, because I have received radiotherapy and chemotherapy 2 years ago back to Shanghai, where I was born and bred. So I think I can do a bit of the comparison between the different medical systems, and also kind of the personal experience that I received from the both countries and the both cities and the both, because I've been in the kind of the top hospital back to Shanghai for my treatments as well. So kind of comparing all of those, you know, leading and topping cancer hospital and how they deal with me. So thank you in advance for following me. Like this video, or leave any comments. Just leave any comments that you love, you know, whatever. Thank you so much again for coming, and thank you so much for bearing with me until now. I will see you in the next video. Bye!